Do not finalize your third-party pharma manufacturer without asking him these 5 questions. Hi, my name is Amit Bajaj. I am the business head of Bajaj Formulations. We are a WHO certified pharmaceutical formulation unit based in Roorkee. In the past 12 years, we've helped over 2,500 companies increase their business from 37% to over 500%. The second most important question you should ask your pharma manufacturer is that how do they ensure that no cavities in their LULU packs are empty? Matlab, there is a big problem with the LULU packings that since it is not visible from outside, कई बार क्या होता है उसके अंदर पॉकेट के अंदर टैबलेट या कैप्सूल नहीं होता and the cavity is empty. And when the product goes in the market, there are a lot of humiliation and a lot of legal complications that might occur in case the cavity is found empty. So before finalizing your manufacturer, you should definitely ask your manufacturer to explain to you that how do they ensure that no cavity goes empty. We at Bajaj Formulations have all our machines installed with NFD. NFD is a non-feed detection system. What this system does is that in case there is any cavity in which there is no tablet or capsule, it is sensed by the automatic sensors and the strip is automatically rejected from the packing line. It doesn't go forward in the line to get packed. By the installation of these NFDs in all our LULU packing machines, we ensure that no cavity of our LULU packs goes empty in the market. Watch out my next videos for more questions that you should ask your manufacturer before finalizing him. Do subscribe to our channel for regular updates of the pharmaceutical industry and Bajaj Formulations. Thank you very much for watching this video.